Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to be dealing with a hangnail because I'm not perfect and I picked at something, so now I can show you how I'm going to deal with it. So a lot of you guys are asking about hangnails, and the interesting thing is people somehow think that just because it's a nail, somehow that tissue is different from the rest of your body, and it's kind of not really. So what the hangnails are actually, or what the hangnail is actually, it's a torn skin. So check this out. This is what happened. Okay, hopefully this is visible. So yeah, yesterday I kind of picked at this. So I really resisted the urge of picking it more. And today I'm going to snip it on camera. So what happens is sometimes you just have a little tear in the skin, and then you start like picking, and then it gets worse. So it is important to have good little nippers, and these are from Tweezerman. So I have links in the description box if you're interested. What I recommend is putting a bit of a cream. I like a urea-based cream, you know, by now, or if you don't have anything like that, you can use just Vaseline and just kind of let it sit for about 15 minutes, just so that area softens up a little bit. Okay, so let's say I actually had it on my finger for a few minutes before. So now you're going to wipe it. And obviously, disclaimer, if this is like inflamed or really painful or something, then go and see a doctor. Infected or something, go and see a doctor. But this is not. The skin is just very lightly broken and it's not bleeding or anything. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is sometimes people hold these like really far away, and then you don't have a lot of control. So you want to hold them like this, or in this hand you want to hold them like this, so you have a lot of control. And then either when you're using your right hand and you're right-handed, you can just put this finger as a you can balance this finger, so you can do it this way, because in the air, especially when you're far away, like it's really hard to do this very precisely. All right, so again, I'm gonna hold it in my hand just so a little bit is sticking out, and then with this piece, I'm just going to get underneath this flake and snip it. And you know what? This is it. So you want to make sure that you're not putting any pressure, because if you're putting pressure, you're going to cut way in, like too deep into the area. So just kind of get underneath and snip it. Now, if you want, you can disinfect the area or whatever you would normally do with a small cut on your skin. This is not going to catch. I just have a little area that might benefit from a little snip. Okay, there you go. This is perfect. Okay, now nothing is going to catch. So this is how you deal with this emergency, but obviously it's very important to understand that this is not how you fix the situation. The way you fix the situation is that you prevent this from happening in the future, which you can prevent it by moisturizing the skin and not picking and not biting your nails. I know it's difficult sometimes, but this is the only solution. Okay, personally, I have very good experience with this cream and also with the Cicaplast, the original Cicaplast. The original Cicaplast, I swear, it's amazing when it's applied on any type of abrasions, little cuts, anything like that. So what I would do is just...
I'd like to add, it's amazing for tattoos. Healing tattoos. I swear by this, and as you guys know, I have a lot of tattoos, and this is what I use.
Yeah, and even our tattoo artist was amazed how quickly you were healing.
Like it takes days off of the healing process.
Yeah.
It's really, really good stuff.
So even what I would do is for my clients, sometimes, again, this is not where I'm not dealing with anything bleeding or infected. It's just a little hard skin. So I would apply it for them and put a Band-Aid on this. This is also a very good barrier cream. So it's almost like a glove in a bottle. So you can use this if you are exposed to, if your hands are exposed to water a lot. And it has 4% niacinamide and 30% glycerin, and it's a barrier repairing cream made in France. Very good stuff. I really like that brand, La Roche-Posay. It's excellent.
Really good stuff, yeah.
Links below in case you are interested. Okay, so I guess this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.